Hey. So we're out here in San Jose, California. We're doing a removal on the job here. Purpose of this video, why the specific customer wants this job done, because as you can see, the air ducts right here, they have asbestos on that, so that's pretty much contamination. And by us removing it without removing the insulation, it will have asbestos all over the attic. So the reason why we're vacuuming it all out, so that the attic can be clean, so that we can just desanitize it, put clean ducts in here. As you can see right here, down in this area right here, where the wood meets sheetrock is, we're going to do an air seal. That way, so any air infiltration that goes down into the house won't leak out. That way, it keeps the unit from not cutting on periodically. So yeah, the purpose of this video is just, cleaning the attic the right way when you have asbestos ducts. These are the right precautions you have to take when you get your attic clean. That's pretty much it. We'll have more videos throughout the job showing you every step of the way of our process. Like us, share, subscribe, click in the link below for more detailed instructions. Thank you. You guys have a good day. Marin, any wood debris yet? No? Alright. Sweet. Yeah. Good, hello. Good, hello. See that wood right there, Phil? You didn't have to see, just pick it up and throw it all on the clean side. That'll mess up the back end. That silk thing, throw it out. Pick up that needle right there.